Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to top up data in Airtel. The most straightforward and recommended way to add data to your Airtel connection is by using the Airtel Thanks app. This powerful application provides a seamless and intuitive experience for managing all your mobile services, including data recharges. It's designed to be your one-stop solution, offering a clear overview of your plans and easy access to various data booster options right from your smartphone. Make sure you have the app installed and your Airtel number linked for a smooth process. To begin, simply open the Airtel Thanks app on your smartphone. From the home screen, tap on the Recharge option, then select Prepaid Recharge or Data. You will then be prompted to enter your Airtel mobile number. After confirming your number, you can easily browse through a wide array of data booster packs, ranging from small top-ups like 3 GB to larger bundles. Select the pack that best suits your needs and proceed to make a secure payment using your chosen method, such as a debit card or UPI. While the Airtel Thanks app is highly recommended, you also have other convenient options. You can visit the official Airtel website, log in, and navigate to the Recharge section to top up your data online. For those using basic phones or preferring quick dial codes, specific UST codes are available to activate data packs directly. Additionally, many bank applications and popular payment platforms, such as Paytm, offer the functionality to recharge your Airtel data, providing flexibility based on your preference and device. After successfully completing your data top-up, you will receive an SMS confirmation, usually within a few moments, notifying you that your data pack has been activated. The additional data will be credited to your account almost instantly, ensuring you can continue enjoying uninterrupted internet services. Remember to regularly check your data balance and plan validity through the Airtel Thanks app to manage your usage effectively. This ensures you always stay connected and make the most of your Airtel data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.